Assalamu alaikum guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making a nutritious drink which we're going to have before closing our fast. To make this drink, it would consist of the following ingredients. So, one apple, a couple of dates and some rolled oats. Let us start with Bismillah. If you guys have a passion for food and you want to try out some new easy recipes, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications bell. So first guys, we're gonna cut an apple in half as we've done now, then cut it in half again, and then we just need to take the seeds out. So do that for both of them, for this one and for the next one as well. Okay, now guys, now we just need to slit the apple like I'm doing. Then we'll have to chop them into small diced pieces, as you can see. Now that that's done, it's time to cut the date. So I'm going to cut the top part of the date, and then I'm going to slice it in the middle. And then some of the dates have seeds in there, so these ones have got seeds in there, so take these ones out. Repeat the process for the rest of them. As you can see guys, now the dates are ready. The seeds have been taken out. So now guys, we need to pour 1 cup of milk into this bowl, as I am doing. Then thereafter we add in the chopped apples. Then the rolled oats. And lastly the dates. Now we'll mix that up until it's all well combined and leave it to settle for 10 to 20 minutes. Okay guys, so after 20 minutes, what we need to do is we need to take out the apple, oats and dates from the milk and add it into a separate container, ensuring that there's not a lot of milk in the container to the left. As you can see, all the bits have been taken out and the milk is separate. So what we're going to do now is we're going to add in all the fruit bits, apple, dates and oats, into this container here as I'm doing, and then we're going to grind it. There is a little bit of milk left. We can add the milk into this container, and then we'll just grind it as I'm doing now. Now that it's grinded, we need to add in the remaining milk. So add this in. You can see there's a bit of oats in there as well, so just add them in as well. So then you put it back on the grinder and it will just mash it up. Alhamdulillah, we have finally made the nutritious drink. A very simple and easy recipe to follow for people to have when opening their fast or even closing their fast during the beautiful month of Ramadan. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to smash that like button, and to subscribe to my channel you can click on the channel logo to the top left of the screen. Jazakallah, and assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.